Once you've finished with billboards and overlays, the final step is to set your messaging. Within the Messaging tab, you'll see options to make the gallery public, to enable email, and to enable SMS. You can choose whether or not to make an event photo gallery public or private. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to leave it set at private. Next, decide if you'd like to enable email for your event. Here, you can set the email subject and the body. I'll make something up real quick. Your event photo is here. Thanks for attending our event. A bit generic, but it'll work. You can also enable or disable opt-in for email for the users, as well as connect your MailChimp account to your PixiCloud account. Finally, you can choose whether or not to enable SMS. Just like email, you enter in the body, thanks for attending our event, and then you're all set. So this event here will have email, as well as email opt-in, as well as SMS, but it will have a private photo gallery. Oh yeah, and don't forget to click save. You're all set.